Good morning, students. Today we are going to study past continuous tense. The structure in past continuous used was, were plus ing verb. When subject is singular, then was used, and when subject is plural, then were used. Example: I was playing, they were playing. Clear? Now, in which situation we will use? First situation, action going on in the past. When an action was going on continuous in the past time, for that action, this tense used. Example: I was reading a story this morning. They were making a noise last night. We were playing all evening. She was dancing yesterday evening. Geeta was singing in the hall last night. These are the examples. Now, second number use. Actions going on when new action happened. Past continuous used for an action which was continuous, going on. Just then, another new action happened. So, the action which was continuous going on, for that action, past continuous used. And the same time, and at that time, a new action happened. For new action, simple past used. Example: for going on, continuous action, past continuous used. Example: when he came, I was watching TV. When he came, I was watching TV. It means going on, a continuous action was that I was watching TV, and new action happened. What was new action? He came. So when he came, I was watching TV. We can also say I was watching TV when he came. Both way it is possible. Another example: while she was dancing, her father arrived. While she was dancing, continuous action, continuous tense, past continuous. While she was dancing, new action was her father arrived. Her father arrived. For continuous action, continuous going on action was she was dancing. So for going on or continuous action, continuous tense, past continuous. While she was dancing, her father arrived. New action, her father arrived. For new action, simple past. Another example: when she was trying to go out, the bell rang. Another example: the patient died. The patient died when the doctor was feeling for his pulse. The patient died when the doctor was feeling for his pulse. Continuous action was that doctor was feeling for his pulse. And new action, what happened? He died. At the same time, he died. Now use number 3. Two actions going on in the past. When at the same time two actions are continuous, going on. In the past time, when two actions are at the same time going on, continuous, then for both actions past continuous tense used. Example: while she was dancing, I was singing. Both actions continuous, same time. At the same time, both actions going on, continuous. Example: while she was dancing, I was singing. Another example: while Roma was reading a novel, I was watching TV. While Roma was reading a novel, I was watching TV. Another example: Sony was reading and Rohan was playing. Sony was reading and Rohan was playing. Both action in the past, same time, continuous. Another example: she was weeping but her husband was laughing. She was weeping but her husband was laughing. Both actions at the same time. She was weeping and same time her husband was laughing. So this is the third use. Many students make mistakes in the use of B number, C number. When at the same time two actions, when in the past time two actions happening at the same time, then both actions in the past continuous. And B, rule B says that in the past times one action is happening and at the same time another new action started. So in the past time, for the action, which action is happening, going on, for that action past continuous, and the same time a new action happened, for the new action simple past use. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.